Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to make a short school gown, as you can see in the picture. So let's get started. I'll be using this 1.5 yard of fabric. It's a 1.5 yard of fabric folded into 4. So first of all, I'll be minusing 5 because it's an off-shoulder gown. It's just like an off-shoulder gown, so I'll minus 5 to get all the measurements I'll be needing. From this point where I marked my -5, I'll take my gown length measurement. So from that side, I place my tape above. This is -5. The gown length measurement I'm working with is 36. So I'll just go ahead and mark 36. So I added 2 inches extra for seam allowance. So the total measurement I used for my gown length is 38. Okay. At the point where I mark my chest line, I'll take my chest. Since it will be having a kind of gather at the front part, I'll be making use of my bust measurement plus 2 inches extra. My bust measurement is 34. 34 divided by 4 will give us 8.5. I'll add 2 inches extra. So all what I'm having here is 11, which is enough for my gather. So on that point, I'll come up by 2 inches. What we have left now is like 3 inches. That's to say we minus 3 inches. By the time you fold these 2 inches, you have total of 5 inches. These 2 inches for the fold where the rope is going to pass through. That's why I came up by 2 inches. So just let me cut this other part out so you can get it clearer. You won't be needing this part. Minus 5 initially, so added 2 extra for the folding of the chest line where the rope is going to pass through. So minus that 5, my armhole is 9. That's 18 divided by 2, which is 9. So I'll go ahead and insert my waist measurement. I'll still place my tape like this and measure my half length, which is 14. It's not really necessary if you want to take your half length or not, depending on how you want your gown to be free. If you want it very bogus, then there's no need for your half length. You just connect from your bust measurement to your hip measurement. What you are seeing is where I'll fold it to get this 5. So I'll just mark 24. And this is my 24. And I'll take my hip measurement. My hip measurement I'm working with is 38. 38 divided by 2 is 9.5. I'll add 3 inches extra for seam allowance. While my waist I'm working with, I said earlier on that this waist measurement is optional. You can choose not to add your waist measurement. You just connect from your armhole line down to your hip. From your armhole line down to your hip line, but I want it a little bit kind of, I don't want it too big. 28, which is 7. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So I'm adding 3 inches extra. So I'll just connect my lines together from this way. This is where my waist measurement is ending plus the seam allowance. Remember, we are going to gather the chest line. Then I'll just connect down to my hemming line. My hemming line, whatever I have on my hip line, I'll take it there. I have 13 here, so I'll come here and add 13 and mark 13 plus 1 inch extra. So I'll just connect all my lines together. I'll just come like this. This is what we have. So after cutting out, this is what I have here. At this upper part, remember I said we'll fold it down using 2 inches. So I'll just go ahead now and cut out the strip I'll be using to insert at this upper area. This is what I'll be using for my strip. This is 45 inches. I just folded it into 2. And I'll just fold it again so it will be easy for me to mark. Now I'll mark out 2 inches. Just mark out 2 inches to the end. Okay, somewhat enough, cut it out. This is just a short beach gown, and this is what I have. I'll just fold this in like this. See, you fold like this, you fold like this. Then you also fold again, you fold it, then you match on it on the outside to the end. I just shaped the both sides of the gown. I folded the down part. This is the front part of it, well folded using 2 inches. Before folding your chest line, this part, you make sure you turn the armhole. I turn mine using my fabric. You can use bias strip to turn it round before folding the chest line where your strip will go through. You turn both the 2 sides of the armhole, then you fold the chest line, just like I did now. So I'll just go ahead using this pin. I'll insert it like this. Insert it to form a beautiful gather. Okay. Okay. You can see how it is already forming my gather. I'm just trying to make sure that the center is at the center part of the strip. Look at what we have there. I'll continue and insert it through the back part of my chest line. Just take it carefully, this piece of thread out. Just attach it from this under end. Okay. See, please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share my video. This gown can be used to beach, evening outing, dinners, and wherever you want to go to. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.